So right now we have another breaking news coming in. So let's quickly dip into this. It seems that the Delhi BJP has decided to protest outside the Congress office. This is against Rahul Gandhi's remarks against the BJP MP. He called him a traitor, and this remark has now ignited a row, a controversy with BJP taking this to the hilt. Earlier, we saw leaders of the BJP, of the Sikh community, doing a press conference where we saw Hardeep Singh Puri, we saw Ravinder Singh Lovely, Manjeet Sirsa, all accusing Rahul Gandhi of disrespecting the Sikh community by using the word traitor. And now you see the visuals of the Delhi BJP workers outside the Congress office. Joining us live right now is India Today's Anmol Bali. Anmol, what's happening there? So we'll try and connect with Anmol to get an idea of what's exactly happening outside the Congress office. But on their screens, you can see that the workers of the BJP have gathered over there to protest against the remarks made.
So वो कांग्रेस का डीएनए है, जहर भरा जो सिखों के प्रति वो फूट कर निकला है। उसके लिए जगदीश शेट्टर उसका यार है, राहुल गांधी के लिए उसको पलके बिछाकर स्वागत करते हैं। और बिट्टू गद्दार हो गया। कांग्रेस से इतने लोगों ने पार्टी छोड़ी, आज तक कभी एक किसी और के लिए गद्दार नहीं का। सुष्मिता सेन ने पार्टी छोड़ी, चाकू ने पार्टी छोड़ी और नेताओं ने पार्टी छोड़ी, आज तक कभी किसी और के लिए गद्दार नहीं का। दिखता है कि सिखों के प्रति कितनी नफरत है राहुल गांधी में।
So that was the Delhi Minister Manjeet Singh Sirsa. There you saw him speaking at the protest site. He is right now outside the Congress headquarters. Our India Today's colleague Anmol Bali also joins us. Anmol, we see visuals coming in of ministers as well. A lot of workers from the Sikh community as well protesting right now.
Near the Congress party office where BJP has called a protest march towards the Akbar Road Congress party headquarters. I'll show you in the visuals. I'll ask my camera person Ashwini Helen to pan camera towards the protest site where you can clearly see that the BJP workers are trying to climb this barricading because the Delhi police has deployed 2 layers of barricading, but they have passed the first layer of barricading and now they are here at the second layer of barricading where you can see the Delhi police and paramilitary forces have been deployed here to stop the BJP workers, because today we have seen a major controversy has now spiraled here on the streets of the national capital, where in Lok Sabha we have seen that Congress leader and LOP Rahul Gandhi has called Minister Ravneet Bittu a traitor, and after that we have seen a joint press conference by Hardeep Puri, Manjinder Sirsa, Ravinder Lovely and RP Singh, where they are calling this anti-Sikh statement by the Rahul Gandhi. They're trying to portray this anti-Sikh and they're trying to call Congress party an anti-Sikh. And now here on the streets of the national capital also the BJP workers have gathered here to protest against the LOP Rahul Gandhi. They're demanding resignation of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. But I'll show you the current visuals. Here the BJP workers are holding placards in their hand and they're clearly sloganeering Sikh Sardar hai, Rahul Gandhi Gaddar hai. So this is not the very first time we are seeing the exchange of jibe between the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu. And earlier also we have seen that Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu has called Rahul Gandhi Deshdrohi. Then also we have seen the same kind of political controversy taking place. But now the BJP workers are on the ground and they are demanding a resignation of LOP Rahul Gandhi. Anjali.
Right, and Mol, we can see that there are many leaders also who have come over there, of course, and many workers of the Sikh community. What exactly are they asking for? Do they want an apology from Rahul Gandhi? Because this issue has been raised by the ministers, also senior leaders of the BJP as well.
Anjali, as you know, that BJP is leaving no stone unturned to target the Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party on this issue. We have also seen that various Sikh leaders, tall Sikh leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party has called a press conference where they have targeted the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi. They have also recalled the 1984 anti-Sikh riots and targeted the Congress party. And now various leaders of the BJP, MLAs from the Bharatiya Janata Party like Ravinder Singh Lavri, Tarvinder Marwa, RP Singh, Manjinder Sirsa, Delhi BJP President Virinder Sachdeva, they are all here on on the ground, and they are demanding resignation of LOP Rahul Gandhi, and various layers of barricading has been done here to stop workers to march towards the Congress office. But yeah, workers are saying that they won't be budging from here. I am joined by one of the protesters. क्या है आपकी बड़ी डिमांड?
आज जो राहुल गांधी ने रवनीत सिंह बिट्टू को गद्दार बोला है, रवनीत सिंह बिट्टू को गद्दार नहीं बोला, पूरी सिख कौम का गद्दार बोला है। जो आजादी देश आजाद हुआ उसमें 80% कुर्बानियां सिखों की है, तो सिख तो कभी गद्दार हो ही नहीं सकता। हमारे जो खून है रगों में उसमें ईमानदारी का, देशभक्ति का खून है, बल्कि राहुल गांधी की जो रगों में खून बह रहा है वो गद्दारी का खून बह रहा है। सिखों का 84 में जो कत्लेआम कराया वो उसके बाप राजीव गांधी ने कराया, तो सिख कभी गद्दार हो ही नहीं सकता।
आपकी बड़ी मांग क्या है? तो ये clearly you have seen Anjali here that the protesters are here, they're demanding resignation of LOP. They are also targeting Rahul Gandhi on this issue, and I'll also show you in the visuals the currently logjam between the Delhi police paramilitary forces and the protesters, those who are climbing on the barricade. They're trying to march towards the Congress office, which is just few meters away from the site where the protest march is taking place. And on the other end you can clearly see that senior police officials are trying to stop the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party to move towards the other side of the road, and clearly you can see that paramilitary forces are also deployed here to stop the BJP workers, and the BJP and the Congress are now in a blame game on this issue.
Right. Anmol, we can see as the visuals are coming in, there are some workers who have managed to climb the barricades and are trying to push ahead as the police tries to intercept them and stop them from going close to the Congress headquarters on the Akbar Road, as the workers from the BJP continue to protest against the comment made by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, as he was standing on the steps of the parliament. As BJP MP Ravneet Singh Bittu crossed him, he called him a traitor. This has now sparked a huge showdown. BJP has decided to take this issue up, and after a press conference by some senior leaders of the BJP of the Sikh community, now we are seeing a protest happening in front of the headquarters of Congress in Delhi. India Today's Anmol continues to be there as this protest unfolds. Anmol, you know, it's been a very quick mobilization, we must say, on part of the BJP. The comment was made just a few hours ago. It was highlighted by the media, and we saw reactions coming in from the party with senior leaders and even ministers helming it, and now already mobilization on the roads, in the streets, on the ground.
Anjali, we have seen today in the morning when Congress MPs were protesting on the Makar Dwar, the minister Ravneet Bittu was passing by there, and we have also seen that Rahul Gandhi called him a traitor, Gaddar, and after this comment Ravneet Bittu replied him as Desh Drohi, Desh Ka Gaddar, and that spiraled into a major political controversy where Congress targeted the BJP, and later we have also seen within few hours the BJP has called a press conference of BJP leaders like Hardeep Puri, Maninder Sirsa, and two other tall leaders, Sikh leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have called a press conference where they have targeted the Congress party leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. They have questioned the nationalism of the Congress party. They have alleged the Congress party of being anti-Sikh. And here I'll show you in the visual that police has started detaining the BJP workers, those who are trying to march towards the Congress office. Clearly you can see in the visuals, Anjali, that the BJP workers have locked their horns with the Delhi police and the paramilitary forces, those who have been deployed here to stop the BJP workers to march towards the Congress office, which is just few meters away from the site where the BJP workers are protesting. And in the visuals clearly you can see they are holding placards in their hand, and the BJP workers and Delhi police both are pushing each other towards the opposite side to stop them to march towards the other. And here I'll also show you the heavy deployment of paramilitary forces, and Delhi police has been done on the other side of the barricading, because 2 layers of barricading has been done here to stop the BJP workers, but they have broke the first layer of barricading, and now they are here at the second layer of barricading to march towards the Congress office to show their protest against the comments made by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi.
Right. Anmol, of course, this protest is set to continue, but it seems that the BJP is developing a whole strategy to counter Rahul Gandhi here. Rahul Gandhi, although he made this remark when we saw it, he made it suddenly and it was an unplanned remark, but it seems now this slight slip of tongue, or rather not slip of tongue, a slight mistake that he has made is going to escalate even further, as BJP has formulated an entire strategy now to counter him at multiple levels. But on the streets right now, if you could speak to some more people, if it's possible for you, if you could bring the voices of the people protesting over there to us, it would be greatly appreciated.
अंजलि, I'll be talking to few protesters. तो आपकी बड़ी मांग क्या है सर? क्या मांग रहे हैं?
सर, राहुल गांधी अपने बयान पे माफी मांगे और अपना रेजिग्नेशन दें, इस्तीफा दें जल्दी से जल्दी। इतने सीनियर लीडर के इतने नेगेटिव कमेंट करना अच्छी बात नहीं है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी कह रही है कि ये पर्सनल रिमार्क था, पॉलिटिकल रिमार्क था, कोई धर्म विशेष को लेकर
नहीं, बिल्कुल है। उनकी जो स्टेटमेंट है, ये मंशा उनकी इंटरनल फीलिंग्स को बयान करती है, जो उनकी फैमिली में शुरू से चलती आ रही है। ये चीज इतने बड़े लेवल पे करना वो भी बिल्कुल सही नहीं है। उनको माफी मांगनी चाहिए और इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
I'll be talking, Anjali, to a few more BJP workers, because you can clearly see in the visuals the Delhi police has pushed the workers towards the other
Right.
side of the road because they were trying to march on this issue. The politics is now escalating, and this is not the very first time that Ravneet Bittu and Rahul Gandhi have exchanged these kinds of jibes. In 2024 also we have seen that Ravneet Bittu has called Rahul Gandhi Desdrohi, and after that we have seen that FIR was registered against the minister Ravneet Bittu, and now clearly you can see the BJP is protesting on the streets against the LOP Rahul Gandhi and demanding his resignation.
Right. Thank you very much, Anmol, for all those details. He was bringing us this entire visual from the ground where this protest is happening outside the Congress office. Now, Sardar versus Gaddar war clearly is escalating, as we can see. Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu slammed Rahul Gandhi over his traitor comments, saying Rahul and Congress are anti-national, while adding that his family killed thousands of Sikhs. It all happened when leader of opposition went to greet suspended opposition MPs protesting at Parliament's Makar Dwar. Just then, Union Minister and former Congress leader Ravneet Singh Bittu passed by. Gandhi, looking at Bittu, said, "Here's a traitor walking right by." Gandhi then extended his hand for a handshake, which Bittu refused. The Union Minister hit back at the leader of opposition, calling him and the protesting MPs Desh ke Dushman. Meanwhile, Sikh leaders from both parties have slammed each other over this incident. Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa slammed Rahul Gandhi and asked the Speaker to take action against him.
Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at the face. That's what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend. Surrender. Don't worry, you'll come back. Surrender. Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at the face. That's what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend. Surrender. Don't worry, you'll come back. Surrender.
मैं एंटर कर रहा था तो मीडिया सारा खड़ा था, और जब मैं एंटर करने लगा तो एकदम जो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन है राहुल गांधी जी, ठीक है उनका मेरे से कोई नाराजगी पर्सनल हो सकती है, लेकिन वो इतने बड़े परिवार के, इतने बड़े वो पार्टी के लीडर हैं, तो वो आज इस तरीके से उन्होंने जो बिहेव किया, जो चीजें कहीं, तो बिल्कुल मैं तो इस चीज का जरूर भी मेरे मान मर्यादा के लिए मैं स्पीकर साहब को भी कहूंगा, भी अब अंदर तो थे अब बाहर भी ये हमें गेटों पे घेर के अब शब्द बातें कर रहे हैं।
वो समझते मालक ही हम हैं इस दुनिया देश के, तो भाई गांधी फैमिली के ना हो पर सिर पे पगड़ी है सरदार की, तो हाथ मिलाने जब बढ़ाया तो मैंने कहा आप लोग तो देश के गद्दार हो, देश के दुश्मन हो, जो रोज फौज के अगेंस्ट बात करते हो, देश के अगेंस्ट बात करते हो। ये हाथ सरदार का, पंजाबी का हाथ, गांधी परिवार जो सिखों का कातल है, हमारे गुरुद्वारे ढाए हुए, उस गांधी परिवार के वारिस के साथ मेरा हाथ नहीं मिलेगा।
Rahul ji, honorable leader of opposition, ही इज अपसेट कि बिट्टू जी उनकी पार्टी में थे और उनकी पार्टी को छोड़ दे। बट तो ये कहना है कि अच्छा भाई, मैं समझ सकता हूं कि अगर आपको इस पर नाराजगी एक्सप्रेस करनी है तो कहिए, अरे माय फ्रेंड, माय लॉन्ग लॉस्ट फ्रेंड, उसने ये भी बोला यू विल कम बैक। अरे एक तरह से उसको बोला है ट्रेटर, ट्रेटर यू विल कम बैक। अरे मेरे भाई, अगर ट्रेटर है, तुम्हारे और भी कई दोस्त यार होंगे, मित्र होंगे जो ट्रेटर होंगे, बट देन व्हाई डू यू वांट हिम टू कम बैक इफ ही इज अ ट्रेटर? नो, इट्स अ माइंडसेट। डेसिक्रेशन ऑफ गोल्डन टेम्पल 1984 और डे इन एंड डे आउट। पहले तो होता था कि अब देश से बाहर निकलते थे तो ऐसे शब्द इस्तेमाल करते थे, देश की ट्राइंग टू अंडरमाइन द कंट्री। अब बैठ के इज अंडरमाइनिंग, नॉट अंडरमाइनिंग, क्रिटिसाइजिंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द आर्म फोर्सेस। आपको पता है सिख्स की परसेंटेज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन कितनी हो? 2% तो काटी होगी ना, 2.5%। और व्हाट इज आवर कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द आर्म फोर्सेस? 20% प्लस। If you look at the number of turban Sikhs serving in the armed forces, I'm not trying to make a point, but just because a person wears a turban and he's left your party, you express it in terms of traitor.
राहुल गांधी का बयान जब जब विदेश में जाते हैं वो विदेशी ताकतों के हाथ में खेलते हैं, और राहुल गांधी का हर बयान देश को तोड़ने वाला बयान होता है। हम कह रहे हैं ना कि राहुल गांधी विदेशी ताकतों के हाथ में खेलते हैं। जब जब विदेश जाते हैं उनका जो भी बयान आता है वो देश की अखंडता और सुरक्षा को चुनौती देता हुआ आता है। तो आज भी जो बयान दिया है राहुल गांधी ने, वो देश के खिलाफ दिया है, उस सिख कौम के खिलाफ दिया है।
आज जो राहुल गांधी ने टिप्पणी करी है रवनीश बिट्टू को लेकर, देश का गद्दार तो उसकी फैमिली है, उसकी दादी है, खुद राजीव गांधी और राहुल गांधी है। मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा राहुल गांधी को माफी मांगनी चाहिए और इस्तीफा देना चाहिए जल्द से जल्द, और यही प्रदर्शन रेगुलर निरंतर चलता रहेगा जब तक माफी नहीं मांगेंगे।
माफी मांगे राहुल गांधी
बस जो है यहाँ से रवाना हो चुकी है। और
आर्मी के अंदर लड़कर पाकिस्तान को हराने वाले सिख थे, उनको जिंदा जलाने का काम इस गांधी परिवार ने किया। देश में अगर कोई गद्दार है तो वो गांधी परिवार है। पुष्ट दर पुष्ट ये सिखों के दुश्मन हैं, सिखों के प्रति नफरत रखते हैं। जैसे राहुल गांधी ने कहा था ना कि जब मेरी दादी मरी तो मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता था, मेरा करता था मैं कुछ करूं, वो आज तक अपने जो पाप अंदर छुपाए बैठे हैं। मैं आज ये कहना चाहता हूं कि माननीय स्पीकर साहब को भी ऐसे लोगों पे कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। इस मानसिकता का कोई स्थान नहीं है इस भारत देश के